Hello my beautiful people, welcome to MercyBeauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Big Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you all doing well today. In today's video, I'm going to make a table specially for Deborah Gatson. She sent me her table setting for Christmas and I'm going to make one to complement hers. Okay guys, as you can see how beautiful her dining room is. The table centerpiece is super gorgeous. I love it so much, as you can see. Thank you so much, Deborah Gatson, for sending me the pictures. And I hope you like the video I'm making for you today. If you do, don't forget to comment down below. Okay guys, let's start setting the table and keep on watching. I love Deborah Gatson reindeer so much. I couldn't find the exact one, but you know guys, I always make it work. I find this one at Hobby Lobby, and as you see the color, I'm going to spray paint it. It can match the one that she had. It was $69.99 and I bought it on sale. At the time it was 50% off. I spray painted white and gold to match with Deborah's. I did my centerpiece off camera guys. As you can see, I just add some red flowers and red and blue ornament. I didn't want to do too much blue in the centerpiece because the plates I'm going to use are blue. In this video, I'm going to use all the colors that she has in her table. The blue, the red, the gold, the silver. Normally my main Christmas decor for my home is neutral, like white, gold, and silver. But you know, I'll do anything for you guys. Anybody that want any color, so just name it and I'll bring it on for you. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first persons to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, product review, clean with me. If you're not new guys and you haven't subscribed yet, what's stopping you from subscribing, huh? To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all guys and keep on watching. Guys, if you've been watching my video, you'll know that this is one of my favorite napkin folding. I don't know why. I love folding my napkin this way. It looks so fancy. I don't know, to me, but I really like it and it's beautiful. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Mercy. Je vous en prie guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir guys comment je décore ma salle à manger pour l'une de mes abonnés. Et si vous n'êtes pas ici pour la première fois, je vous dis un grand merci pour votre support guys. Je vous aime beaucoup. Joyeux Noël et bonne année. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. I start with the night version first because I love it so much. You know, there's no Christmas without light. Okay guys, as you can see, it's so gorgeous, so beautiful. I love it. And guys, if you do love it too, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And guys, don't hesitate to contact me. My contact number in the description box down below, my email. And you can follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere you will find me for video collaboration, for shout out, for anything. So I'm always at your service guys. So make sure to check me, email me, and show me some love.
making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Sur la première fois, moi je bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré nous qui j'aime faire un table pour vous abonner moi yo. Et si nous t'avons aimé moi représenter nous pour faire un table pour nous ou bien n'importe décor, pas oublier écrire email adresse moi dans boîte description là en bas vidéo. So nous ka contacter moi là. Si nous t'avons aimé moi bah non shout out like moi fait pour un subscriber moi. Et si pour la première fois tout moi dis merci en pile pour support parce que moi pas d'argent côté mien ça non même après bon Dieu. Moi aimez nous en pile, please continue regarder cette vidéo.
We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. And you already know whenever I'm counting my blessing, you are a very big part of it. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you all guys and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!